Hello everybody, this is Brian Bracken. What I'm going to do is show you how to edit the recent work section. So let's enable the Visual Builder. Now let's scroll down to that recent work section. As we scroll over the section, we want to actually go to the gear and edit the module settings. Okay, so the title of Portfolio is called Recent Work. Now you could actually change this to something else. So we could say, and you can see that we're actually changing the title as we type that in. We do have a couple of different layouts. You have a carousel, which means it can move, kind of like a slideshow almost. And we have grid, and the grid is like that. So it's a grid versus a slideshow. It's a little nicer with the carousel, so we'll leave it on carousel. Now we can actually include the number of posts and so forth in this section, and we can show title, show date, etc. So there are a number of different settings in here. So on the carousel, we can actually select it to be rotating automatically, and we'd want that on. So if you want to have that little bit of motion, you want to have that turned on. And two, then we have the rotation speed. So we can make this faster or slower. When it's 5,000, that means it's 5 seconds. So 1,000 will be 1 second, 10,000 will be 10 seconds. Hopefully that's helpful. Now what we'll do is we'll click the check mark, and on the check mark we'll save changes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots at the bottom, and we're going to expand the settings here, and we're going to click Save. That'll save the work on this page. So that's been changed. Now that you know how to make these edits using the Visual Builder, let me show you how to make the exact same edits using the dashboard. You can use either method for making your edits. It's just a matter of personal preference. So let's go to the dashboard, click here on Edit Page. Once the page loads, then we're going to scroll down to the full width portfolio. That would be where my work is. So let's click on the three lines, and remember the three lines is the edit module settings. Now again, you notice here I put in there my work. We can change that to see my work. And we'll still have it in a carousel because I like the carousel. And then we have a number of other settings. As you go through, you'll be able to look at these particular settings and play with them if you'd like. You can have the text color as being light or whatever you'd like. Automatic carousel rotation, I would think that would be best on. You want it to be moving. And again, the automatic carousel rotation speed is in milliseconds. 5,000 would equal to 5 seconds. So once we have all of the settings changed to our taste, then let's click Save and Exit. Now what we'd want to do is we have to remember we always have to update the page. So let's click Update. And once the page is updated, let's go check permalink. Check the permalink here and click. That'll take us to the page. Now let's take a look at the See My Work. Notice I changed See My Work. It's doing the rotation, and when you roll over the different images, you can see my work information. So there we go. That goes to the post on my work. All right then, so that's the portfolio post. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.